you've arrived at your destination.
Hey y'all, so today is Wednesday, the day before we board our ship. Yesterday I did a little bit of prep for my cruise. I got my toes done and we went to Target. We leave at 12 a.m. tonight and then we board at 10 a.m. tomorrow. So we just scanned our boarding passes and everything, so now we're just sitting and wait until we can actually board. Okay, we're gonna go eat burgers and then we're gonna go to our muster deck to whatever, I guess. First thing to do, we eat.
I need something to drink.
Oh.
Yeah. Zyle. Oh, Frank. And she got a hard tartar sandwich. Oh. I got a plain burger. Not a thing on there.
Okay, I got burger, cheese, onions, lettuce, and pickle, and ketchup mustard.
Okay.
I got lettuce, onions, everything.
Anyway, I
mean, like the regular drink.
Oh no! In the fountain.
I got pickles, onions, mustard, ketchup, mayo, 2 patties.
It's a new line of
Yeah.
Okay guys, we're going to get some ice cream. Camera's dirty. I almost got stuck in the bathroom, or stuck at the bathroom. I didn't know about. On the way to muster deck to do the safety thing right now. We gotta go to deck 9. Right now we're on deck 10 where the food is at. Okay, I'll see you guys I guess after that because that's not anything interesting. We got more snacks. I don't know what this is, but one of his cake, one of his cheesecake, ice cream, and then another sugar cookie, which is my favorite thing so far. Can you be my cameraman? It's peanut butter. Alright, strawberry. Okay, this is good. We're about to go back so we can check into our rooms. Alright y'all, we just got dressed to go to the Cellaway party that's in like 30 minutes. We're going to our cousin's room to pick them up. And then yeah. Simple. And then I put on my anklet and my sandals.
Oh.
Hello.
You're late.
Is I your sleep?
Yes.
Oh my god. Close the door, she ain't got no shirt on. We're moving. I didn't know we were moving till 2 seconds ago when she said that.
Yes.
Now I'm scared.
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Yay. Cellaway party, guys. Okay guys, we're in the pizza line right now. Thank you. We're here to taste test the pizza. Tight. We're gonna try white one and then pepperoni. I mean, it's just salty.
And until that party down there.
I have to eat first.
I like the white better than the pepperoni. On the way to get my 3rd ice cream of the day. Ice cream secured. We're going to get the free necklaces now.
Hey, Roma knows 7 days, drop it like it's hot. If this world was mine, I'd take it, jeans and make them multiply. If this world was mine, I'd take it in the knees in front of God.
We about to try this food.
No, we want to get but other than
That pasta's looking at 9 out of 10.
Hello.
Hey guys. So right now we're in the teen club and I made a new friend. Yeah. Now we're making bracelets right now. I'll show you guys the outfit later. I can't really like get up and show y'all, but I'll let y'all know when the food comes. I'm not gonna rate it. Vanilla Danish. It was yum, guys. I give it 8 out of 10. It just tastes like bread. It tastes like sweet bread. Alright, bye. Okay, y'all. Quick story time. Well, not quick, but last night after I stopped filming, a lot happened. Did you record them? Record who? Like the people. No, I didn't. Like I stopped recording after, like before that. For the night, so I could save some storage. But a lot happened. We made a lot of new friends. Crazy interactions. But that's the recap for tonight. After breakfast, we just went to try and do mini golf, but we left quickly, so I didn't really need to vlog that. We saw another cruise ship, which was cool. We took some pictures, and yeah, we're not sure what we're gonna do right now. Probably just walk around again, and I'll start recording if anything interesting pops up. Hey y'all, I'm by myself right now. I just got some pizza and ice cream, and I'm just chilling up here by myself. I'm just about to read my book. I didn't bring my AirPods out the room, unfortunately, but yeah, I'm just gonna sit here, eat, read, and just chill. Hey y'all, so we just got dressed for the captain dinner. Let's do fit checks. I didn't even show them my fit from earlier, okay? This is her fit. Our family's theme is navy white and then the blush pink. So she put this romper on. I have this dress on. Don't mind all this. Made some new friends today. Maybe they'll be in the vlog later. I'm gonna stop being shy. I'm gonna say hi. Like I don't want to go with them because like I just don't know them, and it's just crazy.
Get it back. She can taste mine. What'd you get? You can taste mine when it come out.
My cream brulee. I'm gonna eat this cream brulee for the first time.
What does it taste like?
I don't like the texture. And it tastes like really sweet yogurt. Hey y'all, so first of all, I just ate another sandwich. Well, she got some crab. I ate a crab leg. Not her, but the other girl that we're with. She got some crab. I ate a crab leg. Then I went to get a meatball sub. I just devoured that. It's on the ground. I think for the rest of the night, oh my goodness, my flash. Okay, I think after now, we're just gonna go back and like just chill for the rest of the night and go to sleep early. Cause tomorrow, waking up for sunrise, straight to Cozumel. I'm gonna be in that water. Hey guys, we got dressed for Mexico. I recorded at breakfast too. So.
Okay. Oh, period. Are you doing good on your vlog?
Yes.
Are you consistent?
Yeah, because I forgot about it.
On everything. Alright, do outfit.
I have on whites, all white, body looking like milk with the red flower. Thank you.
Too much.
Okay, your outfit.
Okay. That's okay. Alright, boom. We got my sister. My sister hat. Feel me? Hey. Her glasses. Feel me? Hold on. Peep it? Yeah, hold on, wait. I'm not flashing y'all. We got the sports bra on too. Yep. Peep the shoes. I'm probably gonna be walking around in socks a lot because more of the shoes are not going on my feet.
And then Uncle Nervous and TT. You wanna do an outfit?
Alright, you don't gotta tell them where it's from. Just
I'm on my cover.
okay, the white down is killing me. Okay, she said,
Bathing suit, sunglasses.
that's how it feels. I can't even feel out my drink. I got
Very, very comfortable water shoes.
it. She just said.
Sunday morning. it to the beach. Yay!
Shut on the sign.
Paradise Beach in Cozumel, Mexico. So right now we're just taking pictures, but it has like a lot of stuff, paddleboarding, whatever. Free food, all inclusive.
You gotta hike.
And it has that. We're going on that later. And now we're on this bridge. The ocean is so pretty. Look, I'm gonna get one in the water when we come back too. So pretty. So many fishies. Okay guys, so excited. I want to pick one at the edge of the water and like in the, so cute.
All that wolf fun.
Wow, it's so bright out here. Okay, so hey guys, we just got back to the room. We had an amazing time at Paradise Beach. I don't think I really recorded anything much after, I guess, introduction. I don't really know.
Get your butt back.
Right now we're gonna get some burgers and we're gonna tan, so I'll bring you guys there too. Hey guys, so it's actually the very next day. I didn't vlog after we got home, or to the room.
Don't call that my home.
And tanning. So last night there was a glow party or whatever. I guess no, but I guess if I have pictures, I'll put it in. Now we just finished breakfast. I had a chicken and waffle. She had French toast, and I guess we're just gonna sit here. This is our last full day on the ship. Okay, I guess I'll let you guys know when we're doing something more interesting. Hey guys, so I just got some pizza and ice cream, so I thought I'd talk to you guys for a little bit. So yesterday, after like we got to the beach, I didn't really talk to y'all, but I went on like the big like inflatable obstacle courses or whatever, and well, I had fun. We got back, I tanned a little bit, and then we just went out and like walked around. We went out and walked around. There was like this glow in the dark party, and after that I kind of just went to sleep early. I went to sleep at like 12:30, and I slept in really late today. I didn't get up till 10. We went to eat breakfast, and I took a nap on Lido deck just now, and now I'm eating again. Right now it's 11:15, or it's 11:15 in Mexico, but on boat time it's 12:15. For something, my phone does not change until I get to like the land. So yeah, I tend not to vlog too much at nighttime because that's when I go with like my new friends, and like I don't know, I'm kind of awkward among them. I know it's bad, but I haven't made like any like real friends on this cruise. Just people that I just kind of walk around with, and I don't talk that much. I know that makes me sound like a loner, but most of the time I just go with my sister and my cousins, or I just sit by myself. So I know I sound like I need friends, like I'm lonely, but I don't mind it. I actually kind of like being by myself more sometimes, because I don't have to talk. Okay, hey guys, so we're just got ready for the pool, well, the jacuzzi or whatever. We're going to all of it. I'm wearing a new bathing suit today. It's white with pink bottoms. Don't know why the camera's not focused. Guys, it's a little dark in here. Hold up. Okay, so we just snuck in to the 18 plus love and marriage game. Hey guys, And we ordered all the weird stuff. We have pig.
Taste test. It's not bad.
I don't like it. It tastes like something I've tasted before. I want to taste the pig. Where's that?
I have no clue what this is.
Oh, this is the pig.
Yeah, the part of the pig. Yeah, that is a pig. Oh, I'm listening. Hey, hold on. It's the
This is the
pig.
pig. Is it just fat? Okay, we'll come back when the frog legs come out. Okay, this is the duck. Okay, now this is good. Frog legs just came with
I think this is the coffee glaze.
Okay, here it is.
But that don't make sense. Because I had 2 appetizers. One was frog legs and one was beef soup. Then my entrees were pork chop and the Asian
It tastes like
salad.
flavorless chicken.